Hi everyone, welcome to Doc Guru. In today's video, we'll show you how to repair and recover a corrupted Excel file on Windows. Start by launching Microsoft Excel. Now, click on the File menu in the top left corner. In the File menu, click this Open tab. Here, click on Browse. This will open the File Explorer window, where you can navigate to the location of your corrupted Excel file. In this window, find and click on the corrupted Excel file you want to repair, but don't open it. At the bottom of the File Explorer window, next to the Open button, you will see a small drop-down arrow. Click this drop-down arrow. From the drop-down menu, select Open and Repair. This will prompt Excel to attempt an automatic repair of the file. Click Repair to continue. Now, wait for a few seconds and Excel should open the corrupted file. You should then copy its contents to a new Excel file to avoid losing your work. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.